Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable video autoplay in Facebook. So if you want videos to automatically play when you're hovering over or scrolling down, maybe you don't, then I'll show you how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Facebook account. And once you already open up your Facebook account, and next step, at top right corner, and then you need to click your Facebook profile account. And then next step, then you need to select settings and privacy. So click. And then under here at settings and privacy, and again, you need to click the settings. And on left side menu here at settings and privacy, and then you need to scroll down. And then under here at preferences, and then you need to select accessibility. So click. And on right side, and then you can see this accessibility. And then you need to select this video and motions. Autoplay videos always show captions display. So if you want to enable or disable the video autoplay, and then on right side, and then you can see this view, so click on it. And then here at video and motions, and then you can see this autoplay videos, so click. And you can see now this autoplay videos. These settings only apply when you use the Facebook website. Follow this guide to change autoplay videos in your Facebook app. So we have three options: the default settings, on or off. So if you want to enable autoplay videos, and then on our right side, so select this on and then click save. Or if you want to disable, so click this off and then click save to save the settings. Alright, so that's it guys on how to enable or disable autoplay in Facebook. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.